Valet Mode in your Tesla Model 3 is a crucial security feature designed to protect your privacy and vehicle integrity when you hand over your keys. It restricts speed, locks personal data like navigation history and contacts, and limits access to certain vehicle functions. This is especially useful when using valet services, mechanics, or anyone else who needs to operate your car temporarily. By activating Valet Mode, you ensure your personal information remains private and prevent unauthorized use of your vehicle's features. Activating Valet Mode is simple. On your Tesla Model 3's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security. And finally, select Valet Mode. You'll be prompted to enter a 4-digit PIN. Choose a PIN that's easy to remember but difficult to guess. Some newer models also support biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition for quicker activation. After setting the PIN, Valet Mode is active. A notification will appear on the screen confirming the activation. One of the key features of Valet Mode is the ability to restrict the vehicle's speed. You can customize the speed limit via the touchscreen or Tesla app. The default maximum speed is 70 miles per hour, which is 112 kilometers per hour. But you can lower it to 50 miles per hour, which is 80 kilometers per hour, or any speed in between. The car enforces this limit by reducing motor output and displaying warnings if the speed is exceeded. This helps prevent reckless driving and potential damage to your vehicle. Valet Mode automatically locks your sensitive personal information to protect your privacy. This includes your home address, saved trips, calendar events, and contacts. When Valet Mode is activated through the touchscreen controls, this data becomes hidden or encrypted, preventing anyone in Valet Mode from accessing it. In 2025, Tesla enhanced this protection by adding blockchain-inspired hashing, which further secures your data against potential breaches. The person using Valet Mode can still operate basic vehicle controls like steering, acceleration, and media functions. However, they cannot view or modify your personal settings or access any features tied to your Tesla account. To deactivate Valet Mode, you must re-enter the PIN you initially set or use biometric verification if your Model 3 supports it. Simply go back to Controls, then Safety and Security, and tap Valet Mode again. Enter your PIN when prompted. Once deactivated, all restrictions are lifted, and your personal data and vehicle settings are restored. Ensure you are the only person present when deactivating Valet Mode to prevent unauthorized access to your PIN. Valet Mode is particularly useful when using valet parking at hotels or restaurants. It prevents excessive speeding by limiting the vehicle's maximum speed, typically to around 70 miles per hour or less, and protects your personal data from unauthorized access. It's also beneficial when lending your car to mechanics for servicing. Valet Mode ensures mechanics cannot access your personal information during diagnostics, such as navigation history or contacts, while still allowing them to perform necessary checks. Tesla even mandates Valet Mode for loaner vehicles at its service centers. This ensures that mechanics working on your car cannot view or alter sensitive owner data, maintaining privacy and security throughout the diagnostic process. These real-world applications highlight the practical value of Valet Mode in preventing misuse and protecting your privacy. For example, similar features in other vehicles show how standardized this approach is becoming in the automotive industry. In summary, Valet Mode's real-world examples demonstrate its effectiveness in everyday scenarios, from parking services to professional maintenance, ensuring both safety and data protection. Always set a reasonable speed limit based on the driving conditions. Change your Valet Mode PIN regularly, especially if you frequently use the feature. Double-check that Valet Mode is active before handing over your keys. Be aware of any software updates that may affect Valet Mode functionality. Report any issues or glitches with Valet Mode to Tesla support. By following these tips, you can ensure a secure and worry-free experience. The future of Valet Mode in Tesla vehicles, including the Model 3, promises exciting developments with ongoing enhancements and deeper integration into Tesla's ecosystem. Ongoing enhancements include improved biometric authentication using fingerprint or facial recognition, more flexible speed limit settings through GPS-based adjustments, and enhanced data encryption to protect against breaches. Tesla plans to integrate Valet Mode with V4 superchargers, enabling secure automated parking where the vehicle can park itself safely at supercharger stations, minimizing the need for manual valet services. Industry trends show a move towards standardization, with competitors like Ford and GM adopting similar security features. According to surveys, 70% of luxury EV buyers now prioritize such privacy and security modes in their purchasing decisions. Potential future developments include AI-driven dynamic profiles that automatically adjust speed limits and feature access based on the borrower's driving history, ensuring optimal security and convenience. As EV sharing and ride-hailing services become more prevalent, with Tesla partnering with companies like Uber, Valet Mode and similar features will continue to evolve, playing a crucial role in protecting user privacy and preventing vehicle misuse. In summary, Valet Mode's future is bright, with continuous advancements ensuring it remains a cornerstone of Tesla vehicle security and user trust.